फ्रेंड्स, गुरु पूर्णिमा के दिन आपने देखे होंगे बहुत सारे मैसेजेस वायरल हो रहे थे, पोस्ट वायरल हो रहे थे टू एक्सप्रेस द ग्रेटिट्यूड अबाउट ईच वन एवरीवन्स गुरु। उसमें एक पोस्ट मैंने देखा था जो कोरोना वायरस का जो ग्रीन कलर का ऐसे गोल कोरोना वायरस रखा हुआ था, उसके सामने एक मनुष्य नतमस्तक हो रहा था और बोल रहा था कि आप किसी गुरु से कम नहीं हो। सही है, ये कोरोना ने हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाया है, माना कि बहुत कुछ हमने गंवाया है, बट सिखाया भी उसने बहुत है। पहले क्या जूम या गूगल मीट नहीं था बट हमें पता नहीं था, ये कोरोना ने हमारे सामने लाया है। और इस पैंडेमिक की सिचुएशन में सब लोग हतबल हो गए थे, अभी क्या करें क्या ना करें। सारे आरोग्य सेवाधिकारी भी सोच रही थी कि अभी क्या करें, बट एक सबके सामने एक किरण दिख रही थी, वो थी योग की किरण। तो ऐसी परिस्थिति में योग शिक्षक और योग संस्था अगर चुप बैठे तो क्या फायदा फिर इस योग विज्ञान का। तो वैसे ही हमारी संस्था ने भी शुरू किया था और पूरा पूरा ऑफलाइन जो योग विद्या निकेतन की एक्टिविटीज है वो सारी ऑनलाइन आ गई थी। और ये शिव धनुष जिन्होंने पेला है बड़ी बखूबी से, इसका सारा श्रेय जाता है हमारी योग शिक्षकों को। तो आइए उनकी सराहना करते हैं हमारे अगले सेगमेंट में। तो इसे कंडक्ट करने के लिए मैं आमंत्रित करूंगी वन ऑफ द ट्रस्टीज ऑफ योग विद्या निकेतन एंड द मोस्ट एडोरेबल पर्सन श्रीधर परब जी।
Thank you. Pranam to respected Nimbalkar Guruji and our president, Dr. Srikant Badveji, and all yoga lovers. As everybody has said, that as per our Yoga Vidyaniketan's traditions, respected Nimbalkar Guruji's birthday, that is 27 July, is celebrated every year as a Kritanyata Din. That is the day to express gratitude towards all those who has helped YVN to achieve this stupendous progress over a period in the field of yoga and related fields so as to accomplish its cherished goal, objective of taking yoga to everybody's doorstep. This year's Kritanyata Day and Guruji's birthday is 95th birthday, are very, very special because the year 2020-21, Yoga Vidya Niketan teachers have started conducting various yoga courses as well as classes online for the first time in the history of Yoga Vidya Niketan. In that sense, we can say the Yoga Vidya Niketan has become a global yoga institution. Friends, this has become possible due to the firm conviction, determination, and lots of hard work put in by our devoted yoga teachers who continued their yoga activities amidst the various restrictions and obstacles imposed on account of COVID-19 pandemic. The thought of online yoga teaching got first initiated last year when Yoga Vidya Niketan was preparing for its usual yoga summer course activity of 1 month duration from 1st May to 31st May 2020. However, with the onset of COVID-19 pandemic, government issued various instructions like lockdown, social, physical distancing, wearing of masks, etc., right from March, April 2020. In that circumstances, it was not possible to conduct any yoga classes online, I mean offline. And that's why we were worried what to do. The summer courses of 1 month duration at various places at Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, how to hold it. And that situation becomes very impossible for us to tackle. There was nothing else before us but to postpone this activity till everything becomes normal. However, the end of COVID-19 was not in sight. It is at that time that Srimati Ujwala Karambekar, one of the Yoga Vidyanikatan's yoga teachers from Dadar YTTC, gave a suggestion on WhatsApp group to try conducting at least 15 days short duration yoga course from 1st to 15 June 2020 using modern technology of teaching online using Zoom platform. This suggestion was strongly supported and vehemently pursued by Sri Mahesh Shinkar, the organizer of Dadra YTTC. Then it was discussed further with Sri Surgadaji Sawant, the organizer of YNTC and YTTC Vashi, as also regular yoga class teachers representative Srimati Meena Pai, Srimati Neha Kerure, Sri Prasad Gaude, and Santosh Bhashetti, and many others who were well versed in the modern technology of holding classes online, assured the required technological support. Then the proposal to hold yoga classes and courses online was discussed in managing committee of Yoga Vidyaniketan in the presence of our Guru Varya Nimbalkarji, as well as our president Badveji and the trustees and all the managing committee members. Everybody unanimously decided to try this option instead of stopping the ongoing teaching activities of Yoga Vidyaniketan. Initially, as Vedvati rightly said, Nimbalkar Guruji had a lot of, hesitation, and he was really reluctant to give clearance for conducting yoga teaching online, as he earnestly believed that yoga is a subject which is to be taught offline, that is face to face. However, with lot of persuasion, Guruji gave approval for teaching yoga online with one condition, that all teachers must ensure that in the process of teaching yoga online, the basic tenets and the principles of yoga are not to be compromised or diluted in any way. All teachers assured Guruji that this will not happen. We will ensure that all the principles and tenets of yoga will be kept in mind and the teaching will be taught accordingly. So after observing Guruji's, subsequently one wonderful thing happened. When we started teaching online, Guruji Nimbalkar, one or twice, he actually observed how the teaching is being done online. And after seeing that, he was very, very happy. He was satisfied, and he expressed his joy that is really good that we have started it. Otherwise, we had to stop this. Very good activity. So really speaking, the COVID-19 pandemic proved as a blessing in disguise to us. The first ever online short duration yoga course conducted by Yoga Vidyaniketan from 1st June to 15 June 2020 was attended by 2,346 participants. They were practically from all parts of India and across the world. There were yoga aspirants from Australia, Japan, Singapore, Middle East countries, and as far as from America also. The greatest advantage of online teaching was that there was no restriction or any constraint of regional boundaries, space, or travel time involved. YWAM was therefore able to spread its wings globally. Thus, in the real sense, and in every broad perspective, we can say our Guruji's dream of taking Yoga Vidya Gharogari, yoga to every household, yoga har ghar mein, could be accomplished worldwide and globally. After the successful experiment of short duration course of 15 days, the regular yoga classes, hitherto being conducted regularly at 12 centers in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, which we had to stop due to COVID-19 restriction, they were started online along with new permanent global online regular yoga batches from 1st July 2020. On the basis of experience so gained, our yoga teachers then started with increased confidence. Total 3 part-time yoga teachers training course of 11-month duration from the first week of September 2020, which included first global online YTTC. From the second week of September 2020, our yoga teachers started 3 part-time online yoga and natural therapy courses of part-time 10 months duration, which included first global online YNTC. Apart from these long duration courses, many workshops on pranayamas, shuddhi kriyas, meditation, shankha prakshalana, etc. were conducted online. After successfully completing all these major courses of YTTC and YNTC, which began last year, same courses for this year onward also have recently been started, which have also got a very, very enthusiastic response from people residing at various locations. Now we have global online regular yoga class. We have online regular yoga class, Vashi and Mumbai. We have got online YTTC Vashi and Global. We have got online YTTC Dadar, online YNTC Vashi and Global, and online YNTC Matunda. So with this, we are really gone online worldwide. So the stupendous success of online teaching of yoga is due to the series of discussion, deliberation, consultation, and briefing by which our yoga teachers themselves got empowered with the newer techniques of online teaching and kept on improving further and further with every day's experience of online teaching. This resulted in fine tuning of the skill of online teaching. Those who were earlier skeptical and doubtful about the efficacy of online teaching of Yoga Vidya Niketan's exhaustive courses like YTTC and YNTC also over a period gained sufficient confidence and ultimately became confident about this online skill of even Shuddhi Kriyas and all Shuddhi Kriyas were conducted online. This is contributed by the overwhelming feedback. This is confirmed, I would say, by the overwhelming feedback received in respect of YVN's courses conducted online. A special YVN brand of online teaching of yoga is now established in yoga field, which is a subject of proud feeling for every YVNite. Our courses online, there are speciality. Their personal attention was given even though they were online. Professional, affectionate, service-oriented approach of our team was appreciated by many. And of course, our courses are having very reasonable fees. Many who could not avail of the facility of yoga teaching due to time, travel, distance, etc. consent could now take the advantage of these virtual classes online and avail splendid benefits of yoga learning. So with this, actually, the our emblem, we have seen that in our emblem, we have said in service of humanity since 1974. Now we can say that we are in the service of humanity continuously since 1974 without any break in all situations. And again, in our logo, there is Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam. Our online teaching is specially different. Really, it is a benchmark set in online teaching. So all these things has happened, and that's why our Guruji Nimbalkar, our president, as well as the trustees and all managing committee, they decided that we should appreciate the splendid work done by our yoga teachers who has taken Yoga Vidya Niketan to a global level. They have successfully conducted these various courses. That's why we have decided to give them a, a certificate of awards. So Yoga Vidya Niketan is now going to give the award of appreciation to all those teachers who have been involved in conducting this online yoga courses and classes for their commendable contribution in propagating yoga. This award is called the Prashanshaniya Yoga Prasar Karya Puraskar. It will be presented to all the teachers, and that's why you will be seeing on the screen very shortly the representative will be getting this award. Yoga Vidya, it is worded like this: Yoga Vidya Niketan proudly presents this special award in appreciation of the commendable contribution toward the successful conduct of the first ever specific type of courses in the history of our institution. This award is signed by Dr. Srikant Badwe, our president, as well as our Yogacharya Padmasri Sadashiv P. Nimbalkar, the founder chairman. This will be sent to respective yoga teachers on their WhatsApp number, followed by the laminated copy of the award will be sent to them, their resident, through courier. So let us have a big applause to all our yoga teachers who deserve really this award of for appreciation of commendable contribution in propagating yoga. Over to Neha for showing the award on screen.
Nitin sir.
Thank you.
Technical team, do the needful, please.
एक टावर भी है ना, तो वो 5 Mbps से डाउनलोड कर देता है वो। इसको खोल के आपका कैसे तबीयत ठीक होने वाला मेरे को नहीं समझ। हाँ
तबीयत को कुछ वही नहीं, तो नाक बह रहा था तो यहाँ से बह रहा था ना, तो ये जन होता था।
Mute yourself, please. Change. Next. Thank you, Pramila. Over to Parab sir.
So thank you very much for showing this. These are only few awards were shown on the screen, but subsequently all will be getting this on their WhatsApp number, as followed by the laminated award at their residences through courier. Thank you very much. Over to you, Neha, for the further program.
Dhanyawad. With all yoga teachers feel really very fortunate to be attached to Yoga Vidya Niketan because here our association with the institute never goes unnoticed. Rather, it is being acknowledged openly like this today. Thank you so much for this. And this I am saying, hopefully, considering I will be one of them getting this beautiful certificate. Thank you so much. Now, next, let us listen to the address by the very close person to Guruji throughout her life. Over to Pooja Madam, loving daughter of our respected Guruji. Pooja ji, over to you.
Namaste, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Being a recent student of Global YTTC, I'm used to greeting at all the different times of the day. So this is one of the achievements. First of all, thank you very much, all of you, to give me this opportunity to be in front of you and release the second reprint of Patanjali Yoga Darshan by Ananda Rishi and Ananda Varsha. And I do take this opportunity to talk to you for a little bit about YVN. YVN was built and is running on the belief that every household should benefit from yoga. This path of achieving this goal was not easy. Apart from activities of yoga, just to get a land, get a permit for the land to the building, or registering the institute needed a lot of persistence. And it has been done, it is already done. And you can see this institute has been enjoying many years of success because of the strength of vision, resilience, and authenticity of all the founder members and countless supporters, well-wishers, and volunteers. Today, I see the same strength in front of me. We all have endured a very tough pandemic year, or should I say years now, past few years. And yet, YVN has found a way to continue spreading this goal, achieving this goal of taking yoga to households of India and abroad, which is really remarkable, which is unimaginable. This was not easy, but it was achievable because everyone related to YVN or just known YVN has worked very hard, worked together, worked towards this goal, and YVN has figured out how to march forward. That is the main thing. Now today they have just reprinted another book. What do you want from YVN? And I just feel very proud to be affiliated to YVN. I got this opportunity to speak on behalf of my father. But let me tell you, let me admit that I see my father in all of you, and I see YVN in all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pooja ji, for sharing your emotions with us. Now, before we move forward, one yoga lover for Mulund, Shri Nemidas ji Gala, wish to share a birthday greeting card on this Zoom link. So I'm trying to share his creation to celebrate Guruji's birthday. Just a minute. This is the card made by him, Nemidas Gala ji. Moments with Sadashiv Nimbalkar ji, Guruji. That is grandson of Guruji, newly married, Abhiraj. Collection of pictures with Guruji. Guruji and Shakutai. Thank you so much, Nemidas ji. Are you there? Thank you so much. Every year he personally comes to Yoga Vidya Niketan, meets Guruji, takes his Ashirwad. Today also he was there with Guruji for a few minutes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nemidas ji. Now, let us listen to the address of our own President of Yoga Vidya Niketan, Dr. Shrikant Badve.
नमस्कार। आज के ये कृतज्ञता दिन के दिन मेरे अपने जो वंदनीय गुरुजी निम्बाळकर गुरुजी, जिनको हम सर कहते हैं, उनको पहले मैं नमन करता हूं, तथा सभी हमारे जो योग बंधु, योग भगिनी और समस्त ट्रस्टीज और जो प्लेथोरा जो बहुत बड़ी मात्रा में हमारे जो सब कार्य करता है, और उनको भी आज मैं नमस्कार करके शुरू करता हूं। आज वैसे देखा जाए तो ये जो पूजाताई ओक, देन वेदवती, देन नितिन जी तावड़े, स्पेशली घोलकर सर और करमबेकर, ये सभी लोगों ने इतनी छोटी 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 चीजों का मेंशन किया है सर के बारे में। उनके अनेक विध पहलू उन्होंने हमारे सामने रखे हैं। देयर इज हार्डली एनीथिंग दैट एनीबडी कैन ऐड। मतलब इट वाज ऑल, उनका सबका जो टॉक था, इट वाज स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम द हार्ट। एंड मुझे तो लगता है कि ये योग विद्या निकेतन के आर्काइव्स ऑफ योग विद्या निकेतन में ये सभी चीजें आर्काइव्स में जानी चाहिए। ये सभी लोगों ने इतनी इतनी अच्छी मात्रा में सब कुछ कवर किया है। और बहुत सारी चीजें जो है उसमें से खाली 2 चीजें मैं कहूंगा कि जो मुझे हमेशा सर के बारे में अट्रैक्ट करते रही है, और वो जो है उनकी सिंप्लिसिटी, उसके बारे में बोला गया। मैं तो कहूंगा कि एक सिंप्लिसिटी का और एक तुमको, आई एम अनम्यूटेड और म्यूटेड, I am not muted, na, I suppose.
You are audible. You are audible, sir.
I am audible. I am audible. I thought I am muted. Okay, okay. So this अनेक विध पहलू के बारे में सभी लोगों ने कवर किया है। अभी उसमें से जो सिंप्लिसिटी है वो बहुत लोगों ने बोली है। मैं तो उसमें कहूंगा कि उनकी सिंप्लिसिटी, उनका जो फ्री थिंकिंग का एक छोटी सी कहानी देते हैं वो अपने योग विद्या निकेतन के बुक में। और वो जो कहानी है उसमें मैं चैलेंज देके कहता हूं कि आप में से किसी ने भी ऐसा एक वर्ड निकालो कि जो कॉमन आदमी को मालूम नहीं है। जैसे हमारे मराठी में कहा जाता है कि शांता शेळके जो कवियत्री है, उनका एक भी गाना ऐसा दिखाओ कि जिसमें जो गाने की जो लाइन है, वो लाइन जो है वो डिफिकल्ट है, उसके लिए तुमको कोई ऐसा बुक ढूंढना पड़ेगा, किसी को पूछना पड़ेगा कि ये वर्ड्स का मीनिंग क्या है। वैसे सर का जो लिखा हुआ रहता है उसमें एक भी कभी वर्ड ऐसा मिलता नहीं है कि जिसके लिए तुमको डिक्शनरी निकालनी पड़े। और दूसरा जो है मैं कहूंगा कि सर का और एक मुझे जो मतलब एक्सट्रीमली रेयर क्वालिटी विच आई कैन सी इज क्रिएशन ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ कार्यकर्ता। अपने कार्यकर्ता देखो, अपने टीचर्स देखो, कि जो देख के मैंने तो ये बहुत बार वर्ड यूज किया है कि जिसे हम कहेंगे ये देव दुर्लभ है। मतलब इवन गॉड वुड बी जेलस ऑफ सर कि क्या क्या कितने अच्छे अच्छे कार्यकर्ता कलेक्ट किए हैं। मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ अपने जो टीचर्स है उनके बारे में, एक मैं इंग्लिश में ऐसा पढ़ा था कि ऐसा कहा जाता है कि काउज डिजायर टू फीड अ काफ इज मच मोर देन द काफ डिजायर टू हैव इट। सो दोज काइंड ऑफ टीचर्स हमारे जो है आज हमें अवेलेबल है, हमें मिलते हैं। वैसे आज तो सभी लोगों ने बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स कवर किए हैं। तो मैं इतना ही कहूंगा कि ये जो आज के जो हमारे सब टीचर्स हैं, जिनको मैं कहूंगा दे आर पायोनियर्स ऑफ दिस रेवोल्यूशनरी न्यू थिंग्स व्हिच हैज स्टार्टेड ड्यूरिंग कोविड, तो उनका भी सभी का मैं अभिनंदन करता हूं और मेरे 2 शब्द पूरे करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू डॉक्टर। आपके शब्द हमें हमेशा प्रेरणा देते रहेंगे आगे काम करने के लिए। नाउ फ्रेंड, दिस इज टाइम टू express our gratitudes regarding for you, those who are present in this program. So to pose the vote of thanks, I call on mic our respected Secretary of Yoga Vidya Niketan, Shri Rajendra Joshi sir.
Namaskar. On behalf of Institute Yoga Vidya Niketan, on behalf of President of Yoga Vidya Niketan, Dr. Srikant Badve, I express it's an immense pleasure for me to propose a vote of thanks for the today's function. Before I begin, vote of thanks and gratitude to all of you, in all 347 in number. I bow down in front of our Guruji for his stupendous work. His mission is yoga at every home, and a lot of is spoken about him by today's eminent speakers. I bow down my head in front of him in the words of Sant Tukaram, काय सांगू आता संतांचे उपकार, आम्हा निरंतर जागविती. काय द्यावे असी व्हावे उतराई, ठेविता हा पायी जीव थोडा. सहज बोलणे हित उपदेश, करुणी सायास शिकविती. तुका म्हणे वत्स धेनुची या चित्ती, तैसे आम्हा सांभाळती. जी हैज बिल्ट अ शिप, जैसे नानक जी कहते हैं, गुरु नानक कहते हैं कि नानक नाम जहाज है जो बैठे बेड़ा पार. Whoever comes in contact with Guruji, his life is flourished, his life is blessed. Friends, I extend my thanks, my gratitude to President of Yoga Vidya Niketan, Dr. Srikantji Badve, trustees of Honorable Trustees of Yoga Vidya Niketan, Sridharji Parab, Vinod Joshi, Mukundji Bedekar, for their most valued presence and inspiring the entire team for completing Guruji's mission, Yoga at Every Home. We started today's program in the melodious voice that is newly introduced, that is Mr. Anuj.
Anjan Panda.
Anjan, yes, Mr. Anjan. And after that, melodious Guru Vandana by Ujjwala Ji Karambekar. Today's speakers we have heard, and I found that Guruji's simplicity is not only with him, but that simplicity, that purity of simple language. Mrs. Vedavati Sudhaji Karambekar, they have not used any phrases, slokas, or the heavy words, but expressed from heart to heart. Gulkar ji ने कहा कि चाहने करो सोडावे सकल जना. Though that simplicity is transformed by Guruji in all his disciples. I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart to today's speakers, of course, Pujaok, Madam Sudha Karambekar ji, Mrs. Vedavati Tulzapurkar, Pradeep Gholkar ji, Nitin Tawde ji, those who have expressed the words about our Guruji. The founder or the pioneer for the appreciation certificate is Mr. Sridharji Parab. He was very much enthusiastic to appreciate the team, because it is the team. The team of Yoga Teachers Training Course at Dadar and Vashi under the guidance of Mr. Durgadas Savanji, the team of Yoga Teachers Training Course at Dadar under the leadership of Mr. Maheshji Sinkar, Mrs. Vedavati Tulzapurkar, then team of Yoga Centers of Yoga Vidya Niketan under the leadership of Meena Pai. All these teams are putting their stupendous, their arduous efforts to take yoga to every home, not only to every home, to global level by participating in online teaching. And Parabji had put forth an idea to appreciate them. I really salute with the deepest feeling in my heart to Sridharji Parab and his entire team, Neha Kerure, then Prasad Gaude, Trupti Gaude, technical team, Durgadas Ji Sawant, who supported him to make these ideas fruitful, and the certificates will be receiving by the teachers, organizers, and activists of Yoga Vidya Niketan in the next few days. Aukshana Karyakram, it was a wonderful occasion. It was a wonderful, most wonderful event under the leadership of Jayashree Chitnis. All the teachers have conducted this event, and really the eyes of the audience, I was seeing on the laptop that eyes of most of the audience were wet by seeing this auction to Guruji. Really thank them, salute them. For today's event, I must mention, I must acknowledge the efforts of Mr. Santosh Bashetti as a program in charge, Mr. Pradeep Golkar as a program co-in charge, for the wonderful anchor. The word anchor in the dictionary is proved by Neha ji. Because it is very easy to anchor the program when the audience is physically in front of you. But on the Zoom line, when the audience is not in front of you, to make them lively, Neha Korire has done this wonderful job. She plugged us from first event to the last event. Then I must mention, I have mentioned the name of Anjan Panda, then Ujjwala Karambekar ji, Durgadas Sawant ji and his team, Mahesh Sinkar and his team, for the event of release of book by our trustee, representative of trustee, Mr. Mukund Bedekar. It was a great occasion. Patanjali Yoga Darshan, a book written by late Ananda Rishi ji, Swami Ananda Rishi ji. The second edition is released today. And I salute the efforts of Varsha Joshi ji, Manjari Gokhale for this valuable presence on this occasion. Mr. Bedekar ji for the efforts to release a book, to bring the book in time. Mrs. Pooja Oak, Durgadas Sawant, Pradeep Golkar for releasing the book. In the audience also, we have Mr. Sri Krishna Maskar, Yoga Pramukh, Ghantali Mitra Mandal, Mrs. Sujata Bhide, President, Ghantali Mitra Mandal from Thane, and all of you. I salute all of you right from the bottom of my heart on behalf of Yoga Vidya Niketan. A yoga taken to every step by our Guruji and by our eminent teachers, the organizers, activists of Yoga Vidya Niketan. In advance, I thank to Sonali Rao because she is going to leave the impression. I assure you that she will be leaving the impression on your nerves of Pasaidan and Omkar. Thank you, all of you, once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for a wonderful vote of thanks. And now let us conclude. Before that, I must admit that the motto of Yoga Vidya Niketan is spread yoga horizontally, but not vertically. Horizontally to reach to each and every home of this world. Let us pray for this. And to conclude, I call on the screen the newly found singer, our very own Sonali Raul madam, to conclude the session with Pasaidan, which is just an abstract of 9,000 shlokas of Gnaneshwari by Marathi Saint Gnaneshwar Mauli. Over to you, Sonali.